Hey guys, how you guys doing? It is Monday. We are almost in the home stretch. This is so exciting. Hope you guys liked your signs that we put up this weekend. It was a lot of fun driving around and putting some signs in yards. Hopefully you guys got a chance to see them and maybe take a few photos. And hopefully the wind didn't take them away. So keep an eye out for that, okay? We'd like to use them for graduation when we come to your house. Anyways, today we're going to review slope, and I tried to make it as easy as possible for you. You have an assignment that has 2 slides. It's on Google Slides. You'll each get your own copy. I'm scrolling over so you can see slide 1, slide 2. So what you have on each of these is a 2 points. So you have 1, -1, 4, -4. Okay? So you need to find the work that matches up with that. So remember, slope formula is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So my y's are -1 and -4. So I'm going to take -4 minus -1 for my numerator, and so far the only thing that matches is this right here, right? And then I gotta take 4 minus 1, so I'm gonna drag this over. Okay, now here comes the hard part. The hard part is doing the math with all the signs. So -4 minus a -1 is really -4 plus 1. So -4 plus 1 is -3. And then, oh wait, there's not even a negative. Hold on, hang on. And then we have 4 minus 1. So if I had, and I'm just doing this, you will do this on a piece of paper, but if I were to do that in my head, -3 over 3, that reduces to what? So don't fret if you don't see the exact numbers. This reduces to -1. So my answer is -1. And it looks like they have them right next to each other. Ooh, I'm going to mix that up. So actually your slides are going to look a little different. So anyhow, I gave you the first answer, okay? So now the rest you just drag and drop. You figure out what the answer is, and then you're going to turn in your copy, all right? That's it. Hope you guys have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.